And now first up, US dollar squeezing 90k Bitcoin. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin has started another week at near historic high as the US dollar continues to drop. What's next? With investors seeking a safe haven and Bitcoin already seeing a demand squeeze, Cointelegraph covered the factor that could further shape Bitcoin price this week. Also on today's episode, 3 reasons Ethereum momentum is only accelerating as ETH near $600. Ethereum price has surged above $580 in recent days, but the impending release of Ethereum 2.0 isn't the only catalyst driving the current rally. We'll be looking at the top 5 cryptocurrency to watch this week, which are BTC, ETH, XRP, and Litecoin and Dash. Speaking of XRP is heading to $2. Crypto analysis traced path ahead of 4th largest cryptocurrency. Are people really not touching their Bitcoins?
It scared the out of me. Well, you failed.
Find out on today's show plus many more information. Would you like to diversify your income? The link will be in the description below. At top 5, we drop a brand new video each day. Be sure to smash that subscribe button. Five things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Number 1, DXY descend to familiar low. From the US, that mass vaccination against the coronavirus may begin within a month has sent investors panicking for edge asset. With multiple candidates now available among potential virus, the mood is tending toward worldwide recovery emerging, which means the dollar become less appealing compared to other decisions. The vaccine news is favoring the view of sooner rather than later global economy recovery, with the USD losing its safe haven appeal along the way. Rodrigo Catril, currency strategist at National Australia Bank, told Bloomberg, this risk is positive, USD negative backdrop, especially with the Fed likely to remain ultra dovish for some time.
There's really nothing to worry about, Mary. Like, could you? Oh, good thinking.
Number 2, supply squeeze biggest story in Bitcoin. Within Bitcoin, the emerging narrative that buyer or simply demanding more coins that can be produced continues. As noted previously, this is being driven by corporate entities, notably Grayscale, Square Cash App, and PayPal, with the requirement of all 3 only rising with time as more clients choose to buy Bitcoin. The result that miners sees their block subsidies snapped up. And the only way for the buy side to plug the gap is to pay higher price per coin. PayPal and Cash App are already buying more than 100% of all newly issued Bitcoin after its 4.82% increase last week. Bitcoin network difficulty is set to lead a resurgence in fundament in 5 days time. Difficulties in automating readjustment after every 2016 block are essential feature in Bitcoin, allowing to maintain constant block mining interval without outside intervention, and thus ensuring network stability. And last but not least, Plan B, big price gain or yet to come. Zooming out, even slightly, is still a cause for major bullish among some of the Bitcoin best well-known analysts. For Plan B, creator of the Flow to Stock series of price forecasting model, the real upside for Bitcoin is still yet to come, despite monthly gain already totaling 43%. This is due to historical behavior after block subsidy halving event in 2012 and 2016 of upside issue month after the halving. But serious gain come the following year and look more like a tsunami than a slowly increased tide. The Ethereum momentum acceleration in correlation with the price. The Ethereum 2 mainnet will launch when the number of Ethereum stuck in Ethereum 2 deposit contract hits 524,288. 2. The price of Ethereum have broke above $500 for the first time since May 2018. Breaking out from a 2-year range, it has already risen above $580 since, demonstrating a strong momentum and with a little resistance above $620. If Ethereum passed $620, the next high time frame resistance level are found at $784 and $915 and $1,200. Fundamental are back in the rally. According to on-chain data from Etherscan, the daily gas usage on Ethereum is hovering at an all-time high. The term gas refers to a transaction fee on Ethereum blockchain network. When gas usage is high on the chain, user activity is risen. Top 5 cryptocurrency to watch this week. Bitcoin formed a doji candlestick pattern on November 21st and was resolved to downside today in a strong uptrend. The correction usually lasts for 1 to 3 days, and then the trend resumed. 2. Ethereum. Ethereum picked momentum on November 20th after it soared above the overheaded resistance of $484. The biggest altcoin quickly covered ground and rallied to an intraday high of $561 today. XRP has surged 40.48% on November 21st. This sharp rally suggests that the traders were panicked buying due to FOMO, FOMO. Litecoin is in a strong uptrend, and the bulls had pushed the price above the overhead resistance of $84 on November 20th. Last but not least, Dash. Dash surged on November 21st and closed just above the overhead resistance at $94. The bull tried to resume the uptrend move today, but the price turned down from $95.45.